Energy costs are reshaping the way we live and produce. As electricity prices continue to rise, the cost of water is increasing as well. For farms, irrigation, and rural water systems, energy efficiency has never been more critical. Traditional pumps often consume excessive power while delivering limited performance. Day after day of operation means rising electricity bills and unnecessary operating costs. Introducing the QJG Series High-Efficiency Intelligent Borehole Pump. With ultra-high efficiency, the electricity saved in just 1 year can nearly equal the cost of a new pump. That means faster return on investment and long-term savings. So what makes the QJG series so energy efficient? The answer lies both inside and outside the pump. At its core, the QJG series is powered by a high-efficiency permanent magnet motor. Using advanced N38SH neodymium magnets, efficiency exceeds 95%. The result: higher performance, lower energy consumption, and reduced power loss. Externally, the pump features a robust stainless steel body. Its corrosion-resistant design ensures long service life and minimal maintenance. The compact structure also allows easier installation and more reliable operation. The QJG series offers a complete product range from 0.37 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts. With strong head performance across models, it meets diverse water lifting demands. To enhance efficiency and usability, the QJG series features an intelligent controller. Reliable, durable, and easy to operate. 3 smart functions help optimize pump performance. The pump can operate automatically based on preset schedules. Variable speed control adjusts performance between day and night, ensuring efficient and quiet operation. For safe and stable operation, the system integrates 10 intelligent protection mechanisms, ensuring reliable performance under complex conditions. With smart remote control, users can monitor pump performance anytime via the mobile app. Real-time data and simple operation make management easier than ever. For livestock and aquaculture farms, timed water supply ensures stable and sufficient delivery, supporting efficient farm operations. With strong flow performance, the pump easily supports large area irrigation, ensuring balanced and consistent water distribution. Thanks to the powerful head capability, the QJG series is ideal for orchards and elevated farmland, delivering reliable water supply in challenging terrain. Visible energy savings. Reliable performance. This is the QJG series high-efficiency intelligent borehole pump.